Hi class! Welcome back to our channel. For this video, I will show you how to prove a series by using mathematical induction. So to apply mathematical induction, may tatlo tayong simple steps dyan. So ang first step natin, we need to show that n equals 1 is true. Okay, then ang next step natin, we will assume that n equals k is true. Then, ang ating last step, we need to show that n equals k plus 1 is also true. Okay, so try natin dito yan. So, using mathematical induction, prove that 1 plus 4 plus 7 up to 3n minus 2 is equals to n times 3n minus 1 all over 2 for all positive integer n. Okay? So again, ang first step natin guys, we need to show that n equals 1 is true. Okay, so using our statement, isa-substitute natin yung 1 doon sa ating equation. So dito we have 3n minus 2, so that means we have 3 times 1 minus 2 equals n, so which is 1, times 3n minus 1, so that is 3 times 1 minus 1 all over 2. Okay, so simplify natin to. So 3 times 1, so that's 3, minus 2, so we have 1, equals 1 times 3 times 1, this is 3, minus 1, so we have 2, then divided by 2. So dito guys, pwede nating i-cancel yung 2 sa numerator and denominator. So we have 1 equals 1. So since n equals 1 is true, so ibig sabihin, pwede tayong mag-move doon sa ating second step. Okay? So ang second step natin, we will assume that n equals k is true. Okay, so in this step guys, yung n natin dito sa ating statement, gagawin lang natin k. Okay, so try natin. So we have 1 plus 4 plus 7 up to 3n minus 2, so that is 3k minus 2. Tama? Equals n, so which is k times 3n minus 1, so that is 3k minus 1 all over 2. Okay, so ito na yung ating assumption na n equals k is true. So proceed tayo dun sa ating third step. So ang third step natin guys, we need to show that n equals k plus 1 is also true. Okay? So, since ang value ng ating n is equals to k plus 1, so that means yan yung term after ng ating k. Nakuha? So, ibig sabihin, kung i-rewrite natin yung ating statement, we have 1 plus 4 plus 7 up to 3k minus 2. So, ito yung ating k term. So, para maisulat natin ngayon yung k plus 1, siya yung term after nung k. Okay, yun nga lang. Ang itsura ng ating term is 3n minus 2. So, yung n natin dito, gagawin natin k plus 1. Okay? So, that is 3n. So, ang n natin is k plus 1 minus 2. Nakuha guys? So that is equals to, we have n times 3n minus 1. So ang n natin dito magiging k plus 1. Okay, so that is k plus 1 times 3n. So yung n natin is k plus 1 minus 1 all over 2. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung ating bagong statement when n is equals to k plus 1. Okay, so kailangan mapakita natin na ito ay equals para ma-prove natin yung ating statement. So as you can see, doon sa ating step B, itong statement na to guys, is same nung ating statement dito sa ating C. Tama? So ibig sabihin, pwede nating i-substitute itong expression na to dito sa ating bagong statement. So we have k times 3k minus 1 all over 2. Okay? Then plus, ito na yung ating last term. We have the quantity of 3 times the quantity of k plus 1 minus 2. Okay? And this equals to k plus 1 times 3 times the quantity of k plus 1 minus 1 all over 2. So, ito na ngayon yung ating magiging working equation. Okay, so simplify na natin. Una, distribute muna natin yung ating k. So, that is 3k square minus k all over 2 plus distribute natin yung 3. So, that is 3k plus 3 then minus 2 equals, we have k plus 1 times, distribute natin yung 3 dun sa ating k plus 1. So, that is 3k plus 3 then minus 1 all over 2. Okay, then combine like terms. So, that is 3k square minus k all over 2 plus 3k, then 3 minus 2, so this is 1, equals, we have k plus 1 times 3k, then 3 minus 1, so this equals to 2 all over 2. So, kung napapansin nyo guys, yung ating right side is nakasulat in a single fraction. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin i-combine yung ating mga terms dito sa ating left side. Tama? So, yung 3k plus 1, so understood dyan na merong 1 as denominator. So, para ma-combine natin to guys, ang LCD nila is equals to 2. Tama? So, 2 divided by 2, that is equals to 1. Then, multiply natin din sa numerator, we have 3k square minus k. Then, plus 2 divided by 1, so that is 2. Then, multiply natin ngayon doon sa ating numerator which is 3k plus 1. So, equals, we have k plus 1 times 3k plus 2 all over 2. Okay, so simplify natin. So, we have 3k square minus k. So, distribute natin to guys. So, that is 6k plus 2 times 1, this is 2 all over 2. Then, dito naman sa right side, mag-FOIL method tayo. So, k times 3k, this is 3k square. Next, outer. So, k times 2, we have 2k. So, sa inner natin, we have 1 times 3k, this is 3k. Then, last term, 1 times 2, we have positive 2 all over 2. Okay, then combine natin yung mga like terms. We have 3k squared, then negative k plus 6k, this is 5k, plus 2 all over 2, equals 3k squared, then 2k plus 3k, this is 5k, plus 2 all over 2. So, as you can see guys, na yung ating equation is equals. So, ibig sabihin, the statement is true when n is equals to k plus 1. Tama? So, therefore, yung ating statement na 1 plus 4 plus 7 up to 3n minus 2 is equal kay n times 3n minus 1 all over 2 for all positive integer n. Nakuha? So, this is the end of our video. I hope naiintindihan nyo guys kung paano ba natin in-apply si mathematical induction improving series. Okay? So, if you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them in the comment section below. So, thank you guys for watching. This is Prof. D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!